Hello, I'm Kevin from Kitronic, and today I'm going to take you through some of the features of our new Class D amplifier kit. Fantastic little kit, can output 3 watts of power. Let's take a closer look. Here is an assembled version of the kit. The kit itself is supplied as a PCB, and onto that we've pre-mounted some of the difficult parts. So there's a little Class D amplifier chip and the micro USB connector. All of the other parts are supplied loose, and you solder those onto the PCB. Okay. Now let's take a closer look at the PCB itself. Okay, yeah, so here's a close-up of the amplifier kit. You can see it's nice and compact in size. There's some connections on the edge. The connections on the right edge here, they go off to the speakers. Next we have a power LED. We have volume control, micro USB power in. We have a power switch, which this has 3 positions. You can select micro USB power, off, so the board will then be off, or a battery input which you can connect to these terminals here. The kit's supplied with a 3AA battery holder, so you can run for quite a long time off 3AA batteries. The maximum voltage the board can take is 5.5 volts. It can also run down to 3.2 volts, so you could use a lithium battery if you wanted to do that. Lastly, we have the audio input, which is a 3.5mm audio jack. The speakers that are supplied with the kit are made by Visiton, very high quality, and give an excellent audio sound quality, particularly for a speaker of this size. Okay, so let's see if we can do a demo. We're powering the unit from a micro USB power supply, which we plugged into the front of the unit, and you can see that the power LED is now on. We've connected a small MP3 player to the 3.5mm audio jack, and we can now play some music. The volume control on the front of the unit can be used to control the volume. So there you have it, a demonstration of our 3-watt Class D amplifier kit. Really is a great little kit. If you'd like to find more information on the product, you can do that by visiting the webpage, which is www.kitronic.co.uk/2158. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.